What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing the HKS spark plugs and the 6 element ECU tune. So first we're going to start off with the spark plugs here. You're going to need to take off this little cover. So it just sits right here. It kind of gets in the way of the coil packs, so you're going to want to take that guy off. And then for tools, pretty basic. You're going to need a 10 millimeter and then a 5/8 spark plug socket. I'm using a 3/8 extension. So I'm gonna take a couple of these out, pull the spark plugs out, and then I'll give you guys an update after that. We got 2 out here, so I'm just doing 2 at a time. Pulled out the coil packs, pulled out the spark plugs. Just wanted to show you guys kind of the difference here too. So this is the stock. Let me see if we can get it to focus. NGK spark plug for the Veloster N. And we are going with the HKS M45XL. So the gaps, so I guess the HKS are pre-gapped for the tune setups. So if you look, see if I can get this for you guys here. So the HKS is actually slightly smaller gap. It's a really small difference. I don't know if you guys can pick it up, but there is a difference there. So just wanted to show you guys that. I thought it was cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put these 2 in, pull the other ones out, put the other 2 in, and then I'll update you guys. Another update. So this part was a little bit more challenging. So not really, but it's just kind of hard to figure out. So you're gonna want to take the battery completely out. It's only one 12 millimeter bolt with this little holder here. You're gonna want to take that out, and then the ECU actually has a bracket that holds it onto the car. This black bracket. So there's 3 bolts. There's 1, 2, and then there's 3 here. So this one is the one that was the one I had to figure out. Without taking that off, if you don't get this off, there's literally no way to get to these 4 bolts back here. So you're gonna wanna take this completely off, then you can access the 4 ECU bolts. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, put the new one on, bolt it back up, and then show you guys afterward. All right, guys, well, that's it. Everything's back together. ECU's in, spark plugs are in, and it's kind of cool because it literally looks the same as it did before. So kind of like, you know, sleeper-ish in a way. Nobody really knows what it has done to it unless I tell them. So I do have the stock ECU just in case I want to go back to stock for whatever reason. So we're gonna go ahead and do the learning process now. I'll show you guys what that's like and start it up and all that good stuff. All right, here we go, learning process. I'm gonna go ahead and put her in accessory mode. Let the car do its thing. Gonna run it through accessory mode a couple times, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to start it. It should crank, turn it off, crank again, turn it off, and then it should start. So here we go. So off, gotta wait a few seconds again. Go back to accessory mode a second time. Let it do its thing again. Okay, off. Gonna wait a few seconds. So you do it twice, and then on the 3rd time, you're gonna try to start it. So here we go. It's gonna crank. It's supposed to do that. They said that would happen. I'm gonna try it again. There we go. She started. No check engine lights, so that's good. She's current. Everything seems okay. All right, so unfortunately, guys, it's like really hot today, and it's extremely humid outside, so I really don't want to do the first impressions video yet. I'm gonna wait until another day, or at least tonight or tomorrow night, to do it when it's much cooler outside, and then I'll update you guys and show you guys the first impressions, the first pull, all that stuff. Right now I'm just gonna take it on a small little cruise around the neighborhood just to kind of break it in. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, and it's gonna be kind of boring, so I'm not really gonna show that to you guys. So please stay tuned for the next video where we will be taking it out. I will be showing you guys my first impressions and letting you know how it is, but it looks like we're good. There's no check engine lights or anything. This is just my tire pressure system that was already on before. I just got to put some air in the tires. So everything looks good. Thank you for watching, and until next time.